Planning a long-distance move from San Diego? Here's what you don't need: endless phone calls, confusing quotes, or begging your friends to help. Here's what you do need: Muvr. Muvr is the fastest way to book trusted, professional long-distance movers right from your phone. Whether you're relocating to LA, heading to Arizona, or moving cross-country, we've got your move covered from start to finish. Our app makes it easy. Just tell us what you're moving, where you're going, and when, and you'll get an instant quote. No surprises, no hidden fees. Need help packing? We've got pros for that. Want full service moving with loading, transport, and unloading? Done. Prefer to pack yourself and let us handle the heavy lifting? Every Muvr crew is licensed, insured, background checked, and trained to handle your belongings with care, from your favorite couch to your most fragile items. And because we're based in San Diego, we know the neighborhoods, the traffic, and how to make your move smooth and stress-free. No paperwork, no voicemails, just real-time updates, honest pricing, and on-time service. Thousands have already used Muvr to move long distance from San Diego, and now it's your turn. Download the Muvr app today and book your long-distance move in minutes. Wherever you're headed, we'll help you get there safely, affordably, and without the chaos.